Hi, my name's Steve Booth. I'm acting head teacher here at St Barnabas First and Middle School. We use the PiRA, the PUMA and the GAPS test, and we also take advantage of using Mark, the assessment tool, as well. Using Mark is a really positive experience because it takes a lot of the hassle out of entering marks into a different system. We like the idea that we could enter question level data into Mark, and that would then produce a variety of reports which would then assist us in tracking pupil attainment and pupil progress, but also as a planning tool for future lessons. Mark is incredibly easy to set up and even easy to use. The reports are really useful because they are available at different levels and for different stakeholders. We use the reports to report back to the children, to report to governors, to discuss at teacher level, and also to report back to our multi-academy trust. At a class teacher level, it allows class teachers to be able to pull off reports which show how well children have done in particular aspects of the test. So rather than just having a general mark for reading, it allows us to see which sub-levels and strands within those tests that those children have performed well at. Equally, at a sort of school level, my senior leadership team hold half-term lead progress meetings with individual staff, and staff can use the reports to report back how well their individual class are doing. It allows the information to be presented back to us in a really clear and informative way. Some of the reports come back in a tabular format with columns and rows. There are more intuitive reports which allow you to look at a child's percentile rank, and equally nice pie charts that really show you how many children or what percentage of children are working at above age-related expectation, at age-related expectation or below age-related expectation. Mark has saved hours and hours of number crunching because it would have been setting up spreadsheets, it would have been setting up formulas to do those. Mark does all of that automatically. Mark is pretty perfect. All the reports that you need are there and are ready for you to use. The beauty of it is that depending upon the arena and the stakeholders that you are talking to, there is a report within Mark that fits the bill.